hey, babe.
Hey.
What you doing?
Just driving. We just, I just got on 75 South, so I'm, you know, rolling through the traffic here.
Road trip!
We haven't done one of these kind of videos in a while.
No, we haven't. We sadly don't have the camper with us this time. We are doing a legitimate truck road trip.
Yep, so what we're doing, we've got a trip here that we're taking, obviously. First week is we're headed down to my buddy Lance's shop. Lance and Laura, we're good friends with them. And I'm gonna be spending the rest of the week with Lance in his shop. We're gonna be doing some shop work, be making some videos for the A-Bomb 79 channel, you know, machining. But I thought, let's go ahead and let's just make a fun little vlog video for the Adventure Channel while we're at it, you know. Lance has got a beautiful farm there. He's got a lot of cows out there. He's got a brand new calf that's like 4 days old, you know. But I love his property there. It's beautiful. He's got 26 acres, and let's just have fun and just make a little vlog this week at his place. Agreed. Yep. We're gonna spend some time with the cows, aren't we? Yeah, we'll go out there and we'll see the cows. Maybe we'll feed them, and we'll jump on the Kubota and ride around and just have a little fun. And I'm gonna have his dog Gunner in my lap the entire time. Yeah, we'll have to show Gunner. I don't think they've ever seen Gunner. He's so cute. But so we're gonna do that this week, and then at the end of the week, we are leaving, and we're gonna head a little further south down to Orlando. Say it. For Disney. Disney! Abby's favorite place. I love it so much. Probably favorite place in Florida, should I say. Okay, she loves Disney. We usually go down there a couple times a year with her parents and enjoy a little off time at their condo there on the Disney properties. Have some fun and have some good food and just kind of kick back. So that's the plans. It's awesome. We'll keep you guys informed. Hey guys! Hey, we made it to the farm. We just got to the farm. All the cows are wanting some food. Hey cows! Oh, and the baby. So we made it out to the farm and we're already at our first task. We got Cassidy with us and she's gonna help us. Look at us making all that noise. Cassidy's got some feed, and then Lance is behind us. He's getting some hay over there. And he's gonna bring some hay out. They don't want to move, do they? Just keep going?
Oh, watch out. I would turn that way a little bit. Alright, speed up.
Is that in the middle?
Yeah.
Okay.
Here, you made a video behind you?
Sure. Yeah, you can film all you want.
Oh, that's my face.
Oh, look at him running.
Yeah.
They know what's going on.
Yeah, they do. Alright, I'm gonna...
Just anywhere right here?
Yeah, and you're gonna drive as I fork.
Oh, that one got in front of me. I was trying to slow down there.
Alright, perfect. And you can make a loop and film them if you want.
Yep. Is that the only one we're putting out? Yep, there's the newborn. These two right here are pretty new. They're also.
Babies, yeah.
Yeah. That's funny. They love that stuff, huh? All right, so it's feeding time. Feeding time. Buddy. So you're gonna You set that out and then you got to get the rack over here and put it on top of it?
Yeah, otherwise they'll just spread it out, step on it, shit all over it.
Like all this here?
Yeah. 2 things cows are good at, eating and pooping.
I can tell.
Yeah.
It's all over the field.
Yeah.
Like you know what you're doing. All right, here he comes with the cage now. They were ready for some fresh hay. All right, looks like we got our little feeding task done.
Hey guys, gals, one guy. Hey. Beautiful babies.
That's beautiful. That is absolutely beautiful.
See that, babe?
Of course I can.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to have a little too close.
Those thin gloves don't repel the heat. That's so good, I feel like I gotta pay you for that now.
I know there'll be a steak dinner sometime. What do you think?
You better not mess with that, it's not gonna get much better.
You think that's good right where it's at?
Yeah,
Okay. All right.
Yeah, no.
You like it?
That's a pro job there, dude.
Okay. All right. Well, Lance said it's good. So.
Yeah, that second side was money.
Overlap your ends just a little bit. Lift off. Okay. I'm going to do one to maintain about 6 to 8 inches away from your shaft. I go down and overlap the end and then come back down.
It's up for the calf. Okay, there you go. Calf is probably the one that doesn't. That's the baby there. That one's just like 10 days old now, I think.
What are you
Watch
doing
out.
in the way? They can't wait to be fed.
Yeah.
We've got some treat for them right here. We're going to give them.
Cutes.
All right.
And then that's it.
Did you get it?
Yeah.
Turn around and see.
Go back and video.
Look at them. They've been waiting on that all morning. All right, there's your morning snack. We're gonna go get a couple new hay bales and put them out over there on this side here because they've already devastated the last two we put out. All right, one more to go. All right, there we go. And happy cows again. All right, guys, this is our last day here in High Springs visiting our awesome friends down here, Lance and Laura.
We love you guys.
Yeah, we love you guys, and we're actually getting ready to head out, but we got one more thing we're going to do to kind of close out this video. We've got some very ripe bananas and we have some really hungry cows out here that have been mooing at me all morning while I'm loading the truck up. So we're going to see if we can
this one wants it.
let's see if we can do some hand feeding here.
Oh, you can?
They are very skittish though.
I know. You want
You
this?
just kind of hold it out and
You want this? Come on.
I don't know.
Oh, you're beautiful.
They're a little apprehensive.
Oh, it's running.
Okay.
I have that effect on
Let's
people.
come down here and try it. I'm gonna let them see that I got some bananas here. See if they can. Yep.
Oh,
Oh,
yeah.
look at that. Oh yeah.
Because that tastes so good. You want one, baby?
There you go. Want a banana?
Ooh. Yep. You know
Yeah,
want it.
you can smell it. You already had one. I'm trying to give it to this guy. All right. Well, are you gonna come in then? There you go. Yep. I'm trying to get Abby to see if one of them will come up to Abby here. I'm
Come
trying to get it. Other
They're
side
not
of-
like dogs.
No. They want to be around us and they want us to feed them, but they don't
Yeah.
want you to touch them.
This is so good, though.
Oh, look. We got one coming up.
Yeah, you know.
Come on.
Come
I
on.
think they're trying to smell it.
Well, it smells good.
Last time they ate these things up.
I know. Is it
I thought they were
just
gonna.
me?
I thought they were gonna give us more of a
You got
show
funny
than
things.
this time.
I'm sorry.
Hey, it wouldn't be an Avon video without a helicopter flying. I think that's the first one we've heard all week long.
It is. I think Papa out there wants one. Here you go, Papa.
Let me see if I can give the.
Oh, no.
Oh, he didn't like
He
it?
didn't like it.
He didn't like it. I'm going to try to give it to this one again. You want another banana?
That's the only brave one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's why she's the biggest. She's not afraid.
The piggy.
All right, well, I think that's going to be about it for this adventure, though.
This one has the fuzziest face. It's so cute.
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh. Just about to lick this camera right out of my hand. We are out of here. We're going to hit the road, and where to next?
Do you know where we're going?
We're going to be going to Abby's favorite place, Disney.
Disney!
Her parents are meeting us down there, and we're going to spend a few days down there. We usually do that a couple times a year. Go down there and just kind of relax and enjoy ourselves down at Disney. So that's where we're headed. Probably going to hit some antiques along the way.
Yep, sure will.
And have some fun on the way down there. So we will see you guys on the next adventure.